Oh.
Whoa!
Oh, he's taking you, dude.
I saw the shadow.
I see the shadow. Look how big he is. Oh my God. That's a monster, dude. That's Mondo, dude.
Welcome back to the channel of Set That Hook. It's your host LG on the hunt for some big daddy trout. Any kind of trout. Brown trout, rainbow trout. What other trout is there? Today was actually a good day. We already went fishing. We were fishing with some really tiny small hooks. I didn't know. Man, these suckers fight. They're all muscle. Subscribe to the channel, click the like button, ring the bell for notifications. My son caught a nice trout. Y'all gotta watch this. Stay tuned. Whoa! Big one! Big one!
You're good. You don't have to get on the ground.
And the big difference between this and you'll see a lot of warm water species on the ground fishing down. Just raise your hand in the
Just
air.
like crappie fishing.
Yeah, just take that rock straight up here, and that'll be enough pressure to set that hook. You want to avoid the kablamo because I'll show you the hooks.
All right, guys, we're off for another adventure. This is new for all of us. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click that like button, and ring that bell for notifications so you know when we're out doing stuff like this. All right, people, just get a look at this, man. My son is out here doing some fly fishing. I got the other right over here. He ain't caught nothing or even missed a fish yet.
I want to catch you a salad, bolt.
He likes catching salad, and he just missed another one.
Sometimes you just have to hold it.
Oh, he's got one. Good job, Juan. Bring him in, dude.
You want it tight?
It's okay. Got him. Got him, Juan. Oh, he's fighting. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you don't need the net for that one.
But look, the small fish and the big fish. Look at the size of that hook.
That hook, yeah. That's a baby, boy.
That's a rainbow, right?
That's a rainbow.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's pretty color.
Juan, you can take a picture with that
Hey,
one?
you gotta hold that up, Juan.
Man, I don't want that one.
No. Hey, little fish gotta eat too, boy. So what do you think, man? How you feel, buddy? Is that your PB in Colorado?
All right, that's
That's
it right
PB.
there. What's yours, boy?
Whoa! Big one! Big one! He's tugging, brother.
Now you're on the ground. You're good. You don't have to get on the ground. You can't get any further back than that.
I just don't want this. I don't want it.
We're always trying to decrease the distance, not increase the distance. Easy, easy.
Got him. Woo!
Brown trout.
Brown trout.
So always remember, you're trying to
Yeah,
decrease
okay.
that distance. When he was going that way.
Yeah, I was getting excited. Woo!
Increasing the distance.
I got it all. Okay.
You see the net? And I'll hold the net underneath him in case he flops out. Okay. All right, I'm gonna take a video. You release it. Ready? Action.
Woo. All right, guys. One of my first trout. Subscribe to the channel. Set that hook. YouTube. Thank you. I enjoyed you. Thank you so much. Whenever you're ready, go ahead. Go on. Got one. I got the skunk off me. Yeah. Oh crap. I'm coming.
Just hold him in the water. And I threw my forceps over there. Holding it. Just hold him in the water with the net. Yeah. Watch out for the second hook.
Yeah. He's pretty, dude. Oh yeah.
That's a nice one.
Get him in the sun so you can see that color bolt.
You're blocking it.
Nice.
Look at that hook.
Look at that hook. Barely
hooked.
Isn't that crazy?
Barely lit.
So this one's a cut bow because he's got that little bit of red right there.
Yeah.
So that's a little hybrid.
Oh, it's a mixed? Don't drop them.
They're slippery.
Don't let him go.
I know.
Here, grab one.
Hold them over the net.
You're gonna have to grab him like with two hands, bro, because I'm telling you, he's gonna slip out your hand
What
like
I
a...
do is I'll hold the net underneath him. If you drop him, he'll fall into the net. You know what I'm saying?
All right, Juan's got the biggest one so far. He set that hook on trout. Man, look at that trout. Look at those colors.
Look at that.
That is a Colorado trout. So this is what kind again?
Cut bow.
Cut bow.
Look at that.
All right.
Can I kiss him? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. There you go.
You ain't
He
kissing.
gone. He
Oh,
gone.
no, he ain't gone yet.
Get.
Come on, buddy. Here.
Got 'em.
They're slippery.
Yeah, they're slippery.
Do they got teeth? Oh, like really sharp, like gills.
They're meat eaters. You know what I mean?
Holy cow. Yeah, you don't want to stick your hand in there.
Look at that, boy. You got some teeth on him. I
I'll
like
take a
that.
video. Are
He's-
you releasing him?
He's a pretty
Alright.
color, boy.
Put his head upriver.
It's a big one.
How's it feel, Jaden?
Oh,
Keep your arm up.
Your arm hurts.
Keep your arms up. I see him.
okay.
Oh, he's hung up, isn't he?
No, so real slow.
Whoa!
Oh, he's taking you, dude.
I saw the
I
shadow.
see the shot. Look how big he is. Oh my God. That's a monster, dude. That's Mondo, dude.
Come on,
Get it! Yes!
go!
Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah! Give me some, baby. Yeah! Woo!
Come here, Jaden. Look at that size of that fish. Look at that hook right there.
Oh, man.
Yeah, dude. That's a
Whoa!
monster, dude.
Good job, son. Look at the color on that thing.
Whoa, look at the teeth.
Wow.
Look at the teeth.
Got some
Look,
teeth on him, boy.
it's got real teeth on him.
Where'd you hook him at? In the gill?
No, it's right in the mouth.
That's my boy.
Grab his tail.
Like that?
Yeah, and then stand up nice and tall.
Oh, this is.
When we hold the net under him.
And then I got it. Stand
Yeah.
up nice and tall.
Woo!
Look at that. Oh, oh.
Oh, no!
I got him.
There you go.
Stand up nice and tall.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Grip him tight, grip him tight, grip him tight. Yeah. You can't lift these right.
Spin around the other way.
What's he got in his mouth? The hook's in?
All right,
Oh,
right
no.
there. Hold him out.
Face this. Oh, oh, good catch.
And the reel broke apart while I was
Woo! Boy, I tell you what, this is an awesome time thanks to the man, Dan, right over there, the guide service man. Hit him up because you best believe I'm going to put all his information in the description below so y'all can come out here and do what we do. I mean,
Fish, boy.
ain't that, you'll put him on the fish, Dan, right?
You know it.
All right.
Catch number fish.
All right, I'm going to get all his contact information. It's going to go down below. When you guys come to Colorado, bam, bam, right there. That's the man. That's the man. Put him on his fish. Oh!